Hello, this is David Benign from Excel Consulting, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see the same workbook in Excel in two different screens. And I'll show you what I mean. So here I've got Excel, it's called Excel Comments number 2. Here I've got Excel Comments number 1. So these are both the same workbook. And I can prove that if I go here and let me make these yellow. Can you see that they go yellow here? Let me add new. Can you see it's adding it there as well? So what it's done is it's basically created the same workbooks in two different places, and you can edit any one and the other one edits. Like that. This is really useful for situations where, for example, you're working with formulas that refer to other sheets. So here we have a VLOOKUP formula. That is saying I'm looking the value up in this sheet called lists, and now I can see that this is the sheet called lists here. And so if I'm unsure about where that comes from, you can see if I change this to 13%, then all of these that are in the place SR would go to 13%. So, and if I write here something like equals sum of these numbers, I can see there, and if I'm worried about the input when I'm here, rather than scrolling back and forth, I can see one and the other in the same place. So how do we do this? Let me exit out of this one and then make that full screen. So all you have to do is go to the View tab and click on New Window. That's step 1. So step 1, step 2. New Window. And then you get the same two opening up. This is number 2, and if I scroll back, this is number 1, number 2. Not very useful yet until I do the next step. The next step is click on select one of them and press Windows key on your keyboard and the right arrow button. What that does is it puts it on the right of the screen, half the window to the right of the screen. And then go to the other one, Windows left arrow. Depending which version of Windows you have, the newest version of Windows, Windows 10, sometimes brings up this screen that allows you to edit more. So I can put that one. I can even have up to 4 if I want to, and I can make it full screen again by doing that. So that's it. Really useful feature. It's a viewing feature. It's in Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. So in PowerPoint, it's in View and New Window as well. The place where I really like using it though as well is in Outlook. So if I have here the calendar and here my email, I can see both of them at the same time. How do I do that? Here you can right click on Mail and choose Open in New Window, and it opens up your email in a new window. And then same trick, Windows and right arrow puts it there, and click on this one, Windows and left arrow puts it there. So really useful in Outlook as well. I love using it in Outlook. Great. All right, so that's the tip that I wanted to show you there. Thanks for watching.